Okay, let us remove the cover housing for the automatic transmission. Inline filter. Get rid of the extension. Just go right up to it then. It's a little bit tighter than I like. 22. Let us use a breaker bar. There we go. This should make a mess here any minute. That's not good. And you can see that it is pretty black. Very black. Let me go grab a paper towel. Okay, so let's go up here and wipe this clean. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here is the new filter. Nice and brilliant white, and it just goes down onto this knob here. Press it on down. Okay, and then this spring drops into a hole in the bottom. And then the tube on top slips into that. Okay. So I'll shove the filter on here first. Okay. And then we will put the housing on. Okay. Let me get up here and press, because we do need to press it up into the thread to get it going. And there we go. Okay. And for reference, there is the old filter. See how filthy dirty that is. Okay. Wipe off here real quick. And then we will add about half a quart of up there. If I can find the cap. There we go. And actually, I'm going to kind of run some of that down in there. All right, let us put this in here now. And give it just a little more tightening here with the breaker bar. Okay, we are good to go. And there you have it, the easy change of the transmission inline filter on an F550 2006 model year. And it's pretty much the same for all the diesels from 2004 till 2007. This is a little known filter that needs to be changed at 30,000 mile intervals more often if you are doing heavy duty driving, hauling, etc. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And there is a picture of the housing. It has a 22 millimeter nut on the bottom of it. No O-ring. It is a flared fitting, so it just compresses. There is that dirty filter that I pulled out. And here is the zoomed in picture of it. So you can see that it needs to be changed because it'll help your transmission last longer, and this is what it is supposed to look like. May not be able to read those part numbers, but it will be a nice, clean, new white filter. I have a little bit more work to do cleaning out the truck camper and making it look all spiffy inside. And there is the lovely little Miss Poppy supervising. You can see she's not very happy with my rate of work. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. Next up is the installation of an Insight Edge CTS3 diesel engine monitor. Very handy, about $350 for it, made by the Holley Corporation. Remember them? Famous for carburetors back in the 60s and 70s. I used many Holley 850 center float double pump carburetors. All right, see you on the next video.